Well, today is November 28th, 2017. Dirini Chilu Nidong Jame Jubdun Lu Chindajujibe Zabye. Let's study the Tibetan alphabet. Nanzo Gami Sumju Jand. Sumju means 30. Gamik refers to the 30 consonants. So we will look at both consonants and the vowels of the Tibetan alphabet today. Let's look at the individual letters. As you can see, I have two rows. The top row shows the uppercase of the Tibetan alphabet. The bottom row shows the lowercase of the Tibetan alphabet. Let's learn to pronounce. Ga, ka, ga, nga. Ga, ka, ga, nga. Ja, cha, ja, nya. Ja, cha, ja, nya. Da, ta, da, na. Da, ta, da, na. Ba, pa, ba, ma. Ba, pa, ba, ma. Za, ca, za, wa. Za, ca, za, wa. Sha, sa, ha, ya. Sha, sa, ha, ya. Ra, la, sha, sa. Ra, la, sha, sa. Ha, ha. Those are the 30 consonants. Now let's look at the 4 vowels. Yang, xi. Yang means vowel, xi means 4. A, gigu, i. A, shibju, u. A, zhengbo, o. A, zhengbo, e. A, naro, o. A, gigu, i. A, shibju, u. A, zhengbo, e. A, naro, o. So in Tibetan, the vowels have names. So for example, I is called gigu. U is called shibju. E is called zhengbo. O is naro. So one vowel that's not explicit here is a. Even though it's not spelled out here, we know a is a vowel as well. Thank you for learning with us today. Drishtilik.